Did you miss it big in 2008 during the last housing crisis? When everything was falling apart, do you wish you had an edge that you knew ahead of time that it was coming? Well, I have just the thing for you, because it is here and it is going to be much worse. Join over 1,000 dedicated students in a course on how to prepare for this coming real estate crash and how you will have the competitive edge over so many others.
And I wanted to say thank you so much for the course. It was literally life-changing in so many ways.
My course is tailor-made for everyone from the person that has never owned their first home to seasoned pros that have multiple rentals. Not only do I offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, but I can tell you this: if you would simply take these principles about real estate cycles and the psychology of real estate, both those that perceive it to be always going up or those that are expecting it to drop soon, you could save 5 times the amount of this course if you put this to work. You could also make up to 100 times on your next property in profit when you put these simple principles to work that are not being taught in the mainstream. You don't have to take my word for it. Let's listen to people that have taken this course firsthand and how they plan on crushing it and what they have gotten out of this course.
I just didn't realize how blind I was and how I didn't know what was going on at all. And so your course has given me confidence, has given me more things to look for.
To actually see it all put together and how it all lines up. I mean, for a person to go out and just try to get all that data themselves when I don't have an education on where to find all this data, that's the hardest thing for me. And then once I see it all laid out, it's like a no-brainer.
I understood our cycles, but I didn't understand the macro cycles of the world. And that has been so helpful.
We were able to take away getting our credit scores up, saving money, not going further into debt, growing inflation hedges, food, gold, silver, vaulting, XRP.
There's little nuggets, it's like reading Proverbs, on the 17th you read Proverbs 17, on the 18th you read Proverbs 18. The book's been around 2,000 years. You'll get it, every time you read it, you're gonna get a little nugget, something different you didn't see the last time.
It gave me a lot of background into what you should be looking for in buying houses. From my experience, I work from the other end. I see all the bad things. I see the bad renters. I'm fixing all the properties.
Inadvertently, what I got out of the course was everything's in a cycle. You have to analyze things. You've got to get out of debt. You've got to seek your own destiny. You've got to ask God first what's good for you and your family. You got to seek it with your wife and your family. But you've got to just go and do it.
It's been a big help for us. It's helped my wife and I get on the same page on a lot of things. Using your experience has been awesome for helping put some meat on the bones of the discussions that we've had, and that's been really great just to have us both on the same page and pulling in the same direction.
So the question is, are you ready to take your real estate career to the next level? Enroll today, take advantage of this offer today, and start doing it now. Let's do this.